Okay, good morning everyone and welcome back in today's class. So we were doing a practice that how I can import the group data in the service now. Uh, do one more thing, Surya, just share that Excel sheet over the chat so that I can keep it on my end as well. Okay. Now we are creating a transform map. Okay, here I can go transform map. My transform map name is batch 6, right? Mhm. Why I'm not able to see user import? Now let do one thing. Let me download this file and quickly we create a new this thing. Save as. Maybe I'm not able to see this particular thing. Other this thing transform map. Okay, we'll do this thing quickly. No problem. Go to download and save it. Sys user group. Done. हाँ भाई कर दे ठीक है ओके विल डू दिस प्रैक्टिस वंस अगेन क्विकली क्योंकि मेरे पास रेडी है लोड डेटा आई विल गो हियर आई यूज द create a new table name batch 6 put file choose and go to sys user table okay go submit. Now I'll show that how the mapping assist help us. Let me get a transfer map from here. Map target table is this user group. It will open and print it for me. Okay, in the meantime, this open. So we guys notice one thing. We just done this knowledge sharing few hours back only, but still we missed out the steps. I'm not pointing to anyone. It's including me as well. And same thing I learned from my experience. That how much important is there to do the practice at least once. Now I click on the save. Yesterday we see the auto mapping. Yesterday we see the manual mapping. Now we will see that how mapping assist work. What do you mean by the assist? Hey Ronald, I'm preparing for an interview for ITL expert. Can you help me? I'm looking for assistant from Ronald here. Okay, Atul, I'll do. Do one thing, Atul. Read this topic, ITL 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and map with the experience. What he's saying, he's mapping my knowledge with my experience so that I can appear for the interview. The same thing ServiceNow do for me, mapping assist. It says that boss, in your source table, it means in your Excel sheet, you have these many fields. See, starting with a U. Why it shouldn't type as a U? Maybe we created that one. Okay, and in the target, you have these many fields. So I say I want to map the name from the source, the map from the target. Do it. This is done mapping. Now, if you want to see, scroll down, see here. That is said that when we are doing a mapping or the matching, we get a lot of things. So I'll click on the map field. मुझे तो उसका पूरा खाता चाहिए है क्या? You can get it from here. कि भाई इस पूरे मैपिंग जो फील्ड हो रही है इसका क्या डिटेल है, नेम, बैच 6, फील्ड नेम, डिस्पैचर। ये सोर्स टेबल की बात कर रहे हैं, ये टारगेट टेबल की बात है। रोनाल्ड एंड आई एम मे बी Suraj or Ankit is ready for the marriage. Ankit and the girl. Name and name mapping. By this way we do the matching, right? हाँ भाई fit हो रहा है, yes. अंकित के साथ wow. Name, girl name is nice. It's matching. Then I'll say what we have. We have description. Where's the description? Description. Where's the description? Description. Now you see. Remember yesterday one. Field to field mapping. This is field to field mapping, and you are able to see what from where this field is coming and from where this field is coming. Now I click on the save. If you want to see every field mapping, click here. It will show you every field. मेरे काम का ही नहीं आता इतना तो. I'll just see the map one, so that I can easily understand. I click on the save. This is the second way to do the mapping. Auto part is the third way to do the mapping. Okay, so now these two fields has been mapped. If you want to do auto mapping, just click on the auto mapping. Sorry, auto matching, not mapping. So the rest of the fields also come into the picture. In the meantime, let me open that Excel sheet. So now matching has been completed. This one. So let's go here. Okay, now I'll run the transform map. Atul, what's new we will be learning here? No, let's load the data and then we'll start with the our work. Okay, one, that's fine. Okay, now come here. Now one more thing I tell you. Suppose if you add any new record now in this, that will not load it into the system. Why? Because this one line is already added in the import set. अब आप जितने भी रिकॉर्ड यहाँ ऐड करो कोई फायदा नहीं होगा. You have to run the import set again. You have to load the data again. You have to run the transfer map again. Only then the remaining data will go into the system. ये वो run time वाला हिसाब किताब नहीं है. That sugarcane machine is going to input the sugar. Juice will be ready. Once the machine has been stopped, you put a number of sugar, so that cane, it will not work. Until you switch on the button and it will, then only the juice will come out. So the same way apply here. I'm telling you these points because these things I learned from experience. Hey, I'm adding 5 records, but only 1 record is there. Then I came to know because in my import set, because I told you yesterday, in the import set, data is already moved. And that is the first step we done yesterday. So now I'll run the transform map. ये मेरा import set था, ये मेरा map है. Click on the transform. Let me open the table in the another window. Successful मतलब कि बन गया. Batch 6. Let's go and check. Here. By default, it put my name as a manager. See. हमने तो दिया ही नहीं था. नहीं बना देखो. It did not work. Our is batch underscore 6 or batch 6. Yes, batch underscore 6. Nobody asked this question. You are seeing the wrong record. See. Now, this has been ready. Let me do one thing. Why? This one. Okay. This one and this one will be done. Now what I'll do, I'll just copy paste this name here. Learn and grow. Why I'm using, I'll tell you. And why I missed out in the earlier practice. The reason is that if you put a manager name here like this, learn. Let's say you put like this, okay, or let's say you put like this. Now in the service, now what is the actual value? This is the actual value. In service now we stored this username by this format, but in the typing we're showing or the writing in this way. When it will trigger into service now, it will not find learn group. Suppose I say, okay, my manager is Ronald, but I call Ronald as a Ron. I put Ron here. When this Ron will go into the sys user and see where is the Ron. There's no person with the name of the Ron. It's Ronald. So in this case, what we do, we ask our team, please copy paste the data from the service now only, so that exact username should go and it should save in the system. I give you one example, and it is a true example. My nickname in my home, and definitely when you stay in your hometown for a longer period, like I stay approximately 20 plus years, okay, 22 years. So my mom is there, my dad is there, and people know by my nickname only. My nickname is Shivi. My official name is Atul, but my nickname is Shivi. Okay, people know around the thing. One day my friend came to meet me. He came first time. He know he's from a school side, so he know my name is Atul. I tell him that, boss, I'm staying nearby railway station. That is a colony. You can go and you can ask my name, and people will be drop you at my doorstep. People know me, or my mom or father know, they know me. Okay, he came. He asked someone, where is the Atul home? The neighbors who know me, sorry, यहाँ तो कोई अतुल रहता ही नहीं है. नहीं auntie, but he says that he's staying in this area only. नहीं बेटा, there is no Atul is there. He asked this the same question 3 or 4 guys, or the neighbors. Everybody says the same thing. Why this problem occurred? Because the record which he is taking in mind is not matching in my database. क्योंकि मेरा actual नाम यहाँ किसी को पता ही नहीं. और I say that actual नाम पता है, but when you stay in your hometowns, people know the name which you start using in front of them. Maybe like Ankit. People call him Raj only. हाँ, राज का घर कौन सा है? अंकित जस्ट ऑफिस में चलता होगा. Like Ronald. I was surprised that when Virender reached out to me, he says, I got your reference from Ron. I said, who Ron? I don't know any Ron. Then I go to Ronald profile and see, oh, he's Mr. Ron. Because his name is not matching in my database. So that is when we say that whenever you are doing these things, where you need to be match the value in the service now, better you take it from the service now only, copy paste. Now the question comes. अतुल मुझे करना ही नहीं है ये कोर्स. Yesterday you were saying don't do the गधा मजदूरी. अब मेरे पास अगर यहाँ पे 50 ग्रुप हैं, क्या मैं 50 का नाम कॉपी पेस्ट करता फिरूंगा सर्विस नाउ से? You have 2 ways. I'm telling you very, very clearly, and this is a manual effort you have to be do. Definitely you have to be do. HR have to prepare the Excel sheet only, then the data will be loaded. Which it is only for the 2 columns or it is for 200 columns. He or she need to prepare that Excel sheet. What we recommend in this case, boss, if you want to put any manager name, do the copy pasting work. That is good. It will save your time. We will do one thing. Let me copy paste this.
Actually, some questions.
Yes, go ahead.
So, I mean, I have 2 questions, but I'll just ask one now and the one later. Now, manager, you said, okay, copy paste from the records and pull it, right? Now,
right.
Now these are names. Manager is a name. It's not a, I mean, that's a field reference, correct? It's a name.
Correct,
it's displaying the.
Correct.
But
Reference field. Sorry, go ahead.
No, when you have people with same names together,
Mhm.
right? Then what will happen?
Then better you use a
Hmm.
user ID.
User
See,
ID.
if
Okay.
yes, so the thing is that in this case, now I put a cross question. The name can be similar in the database, the user ID cannot be similar in the database.
Correct. 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 Correct.
Okay,
So we
that
can take
because
that seat, right?
yes, and this is very valid point. अतुल मैनेजर की फील्ड पे तो होता ही नहीं ना कुछ, यहाँ यूजर आईडी कहाँ होता है,
Hmm.
right? Then it will give you the conflict. Definitely, it will give the conflict, and that conflict you have to be solved the manual only.
Right.
Okay, so those things.
But
Maybe what you can do. I'll put one more thing. मैनेजर का ईमेल आईडी नहीं है क्या यहाँ पे? नहीं, they are not using the manager email ID. No. So in this case, it's showing manager name or what? Let's open this.
because definitely in larger organizations, this issue will come up. And
Yes. See,
we had this issue.
they are using the name.
Hmm.
They're not using the user ID. This issue will definitely arrive. In this case, you have to put some kind of a separate things. Maybe
Okay.
maybe you have to find out something here, that what field I can use if measure is this.
Okay.
Group
So
email
what will
ID.
happen if there are multiple user IDs? Then it won't update that sheet.
It will not update.
Okay.
That is the thing. Okay, because or it will take only first thing, which is matching with the records. Maybe we can try this thing, or you can try this thing. So
Yeah.
now what I'll do, I'm doing this thing. Let's put Roan and learn and grow. Click on the save. Quickly we'll do because we have a lot of things to do here. Okay, now I'll go to the data load. Load data quickly. Okay, transform map is already there, so we don't need to be worried on that part. Existing. बैच का नहीं चाहिए भाई, यूजर का चाहिए. File. Open. Submit. I already have a transform map. Click on the run transform. 128 will be there now. This is my group. Sorry, mapping. Click on the transform. Now go to transform history. One insert, one error. Open this. Now if you want to see, let's go to this part. Batch underscore 6. Manager stream empty और हमारा दूसरा ग्रुप क्या था? 8956. Now see, it is working properly. Go to the error. की error कहाँ है ये? Insert this. Open this. नहीं, यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं. Let me go back.
So it doesn't mention the actual error, like what
No,
happened.
I'm trying to find that only. Wait. कहाँ गया मेरा ट्रांसफॉर्म हिस्ट्री इंपोर्ट लॉग्स? इंपोर्ट लॉग्स यहाँ पर आ रहा है, राइट? नाउ यू कैन ओपन दिस. नहीं, यहाँ पर आपको not by this way it will be giving, but there is some way. It's here. Yep, got it. Reference field value of manager created wrong. Open this. ये फिर घूम घूम के वहीं ले जाएगा मुझे, आई एम श्योर. यस, बोला रेफरेंस फील्ड वैल्यू ऑफ मैनेजर क्रिएटेड रॉन्ग. उसको ये नहीं मिला रेफरेंस फील्ड में रॉन्ग कहीं भी, एंड इट गिव एन एरर हियर. If it matched Ronald completely, then the picture will be little different. It show update one, insert one, not the error one. Okay, so by this way you can troubleshoot the errors. Clear? Any doubt till this point?
No.
Okay.
Then I
Now
ask my
let's.
second question.
Yes, good, good.
Okay, so now, okay, I understood that we can use this for users groups. In case if we have a scenario where customer was using, let's say, Remedy first, and then now they're migrating to ServiceNow, and they want to migrate all the incidents that were there in Remedy into ServiceNow for the
Wait,
same feature.
wait. Now your point is valid, but if you remember, Ronald, yesterday we started the same topic.
Hmm.
We are doing the foundation data upload,
Okay,
and
foundation.
incidents
Okay,
are the transactional data. I'll give you the answer.
correct.
That is
Hmm.
it the right to do or not?
Hmm.
As per my understanding, as per my knowledge, and as per my experience in multiple domain, in multiple projects, and from the ServiceNow perspective, ServiceNow never ever recommend to migrate the transactional data. Never
Okay.
ever recommend. They never recommend. The
Okay.
reason being because being a consultant, ये customer पूछेगा आपसे, Ronald, can you transfer my incident into the ServiceNow?
Hmm.
I done this part. I done this part. इससे
Hmm.
अच्छा है कि आप कुछ मत करो भाई, आप सर्विस में भी मत लो. Because the reason is that these are the foundation data. They have loaded once, they're done and dusted. Incident change are not the static data. आज इंसिडेंट का
Hmm.
स्टेट न्यू है, 1 घंटे में इन प्रोग्रेस हो जाएगा.
Hmm. Right.
Then it will become resolved. Then it become
Hmm.
close or reopen. Number 1 point. On the incident, you have SLAs as well, right?
Correct.
On the
Yeah.
change, you have approval as well.
Correct.
Now the question comes, transfer
Okay.
map is the way to bring the data, but how you will map that data into the incident table? In
Hmm.
Remedy, you have a assigned to state on the incident side, right?
Correct. Correct. Yes.
In ServiceNow, you don't have assigned to. Now what you will do?
Hmm.
We done
Okay.
two level of mapping, table and table, field and field. Now it is the value mapping as well. अब वो mapping कैसे करोगे? Assigned to है ही
Hmm.
नहीं ServiceNow में. Now what you will do?
Hmm.
Right? You gone in this case. Commit तो कर दिया customer को, लेकिन होगा कैसे?
Got it. Got it.
So
Got it.
in this case, we do this thing, but in this case, few parameters, few inputs you have to provide to the customer upfront. Your first point, your first stand should be, we not say I will not do. No, say it is not recommended by ServiceNow to bring
Got
the
it.
transactional data into ServiceNow.
Understood.
Second point you can say, if I bring any data from any of the tool, when I say in this case, when I say data, I'm talking about the transactional data, not the foundational data. If I bring your transactional data in ServiceNow, the state will be one fix only. Either it be new or it can be in progress for all the records. मैं random नहीं कर सकता कि 5 के लिए incident new कर दो, 5 के लिए progress कर दो. No, it cannot be done. SLA will be start from the scratch as soon as the incident will be getting the ServiceNow. क्योंकि ServiceNow means SLA कब attach होते हैं? When your conditions are matching. ठीक है, 3 पॉइंट तो यहाँ क्लियर हो गए आपके. नाउ टेक द सेम थिंग फॉर द चेंज. इन चेंज द बिगेस्ट पॉइंट इज दैट अप्रूवल्स. एसएलए नहीं होते चेंज में, जनरली एसएलए अटैच नहीं होते, बट अप्रूवल्स आर देयर. हाउ यू विल मैप अप्रूवल टू अप्रूवल इन सर्विस नाउ? पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. So that time we say, I'll bring your transactional data, I'll bring your change into service now, but there will be no approval in that changes. You have to be trigger the approval again. In the change we have the risk assessment. Maybe in Remedy you done the risk assessment. ServiceNow में नहीं होगा, आपको खुद करना पड़ेगा दोबारा से. So customer already say, boss नहीं चाहिए मुझे data. That is the reason we put one column, one point in our checklist. Closure of the previous transactional data in the previous tool. We give a timeline that, boss, okay, if I say 31st December is my go live, so I tell to them, you have to close all your aged tickets. When I say age means more than 1 month, 2 months ticket before 29th of December in the previous tool. जो 2 दिन के tickets बनेंगे, that you can create manually into the service now if required. Otherwise, close there and create a new ticket in the service now. That is the way we handle the transactional data, Ronald. Point is very valid. Question is very valid. The process will be same, but
Right.
it will create a problem on the value level. Value में map कैसे करोगे?
Correct. That makes sense. Yeah, I mean, now
Right?
it makes total sense. Yeah, absolutely.
So that is I start my discussion on the same thing. Don't be confused when I say data. You तो हाँ तो incident भी तो हो ही जाएगा ऐसे करके. You can bring the incident, put the incident records here. आ जाएगा डेटा आ जाएगा, but there is a no movement will be happen. ना वो नहीं होगा, क्योंकि if you want to move any incident into the in progress in service now, you should have a assigned to field. बट आपने रेमेडी में असाइन टू नहीं किया अभी तक, तो यहाँ कैसे करोगे फिर? तो मूवमेंट होगा ही नहीं हमारा. ठीक है अंकित, एनी क्वेश्चन? Surya and Ankit, any question?
We'll practice and we'll ask by tomorrow.
Sure. Now let's do one thing. I'll put the same name. Okay, let me put the batch. Let me remove this. Okay. Now do one thing.
Just quick one.
Yes. Good.
These imports, like ACLs won't impact, or any kind of data policy won't impact these kind of imports, right? Those are applicable on field and table levels as well. So that's what I'm asking.
It can impact. It can impact. You pick up the wrong word. Sorry, what do you pick up? You say something policy, right?
Data policy.
Correct. We will discuss this a point in a very brief, that what is the data policy and what is the UI policies here. Okay, we'll pick up maybe after this topic now we'll come to the UI policy or data policy only. Now let's do one thing. Let's go here and quickly load the data. फटाफट करते हैं. Now what I did, I just added the manager name here, Eric Skonder, and now let's see what will happen now. Existing ठीक है, import करते हैं, because I want to show the some errors now and then we proceed to the interesting part. Run transfer में let me close this and this. Run transform. Go to the import logs. Now again 2 errors. भाई 2 errors किस बात के देखे जैसा, वो भी error है, ये तो और भी प्रॉब्लम है. Insert sys user group 8956. Insert sys user group batch 6. दोनों में error है. ठीक है, यहाँ जाकर देखते हैं क्या error है. ठीक है, open this. यार हमने कुछ किया ही नहीं ऐसा. इसका तो I can tell error क्यों है. During sys, अरे यार ये तो नहीं होगा. अच्छा सर, log entry, show the log entries. Go here, show the log entries. Why it's not showing log entry here? Error तो बता दो भाई. अभी का है क्या टारगेट, रो 0 रो 1. ठीक है, इसको ओपन करके देखते हैं जरा क्या बताता है ये. Insert during this batch 6, but हुआ क्या, ये तो पता चले. अरे ऐसे कैसे यार, हमने तो कुछ सेव किया था अपने फाइल, शायद हमने सेव नहीं किया होगा possibly. So it giving me, but where's the error? I'm not able to find out. What error it is. Completed with error, find import set. अच्छा हम पुराना देख रहे थे ना, इसी का ठीक है ना. हाँ 2 एरर किए, skip error doing this information. सारे एरर कोड देखने पड़ेंगे। नहीं आ रहा, इसकी लॉग एंट्रीज देखिए। नहीं यार, maybe something wrong we done in the between. Now I'll come to one point. Transfer map. I'll go on this part. हमारा ट्रांसफर मैप है ग्रुप, राइट? ये था क्या? नहीं, ये वाला. Now I'll come to the important point here. When we done the mapping of the field to field mapping, there's a field or the concept come called the CoalSec. CoalSec क्या करता है? What the purpose of the CoalSec is that it make your field as a unique or the not unique, primary key. In the database we have a concept called the primary key. I'll go here and show the CoalSec says that if the primary key or the unique key is matching, like if I say select or okay, update into user table XYZ where department is equal to IT. It means only those records will be updated where the department name is showing as a IT. When we are doing the update, अभी तक हमने अपने ट्रांसफॉर्म मैप में यहाँ पर कुछ भी CoalSec नहीं दिया है, तो मेरा सिस्टम समझ नहीं पा रहा है कि मुझे रिकॉर्ड को अपडेट करना है या रिकॉर्ड को इंसर्ट करना है. So now CoalSec come into the picture and say the CoalSec option allow you to update the existing target table record when, ये important है, transforming the import data. CoalSec option on a field value allow you to specify if the selected target field should be used as a CoalSec or import set is not there. अरे यार क्या है, फालतू में इतना ज्ञान दे दिया. इसमें दो ही चीजें होती है. If your CoalSec is matching, then update the record. If CoalSec is not matching, then insert the record. Set row is check कहाँ गया? हाँ देखो ये रहा. If an existing record with a matching value in the target table is found, suppose I want to update batch 6 का manager, ठीक है, and I put batch 6 as a name as a CoalSec. और अगर यहाँ पर ऐसे भी होगा ना, मान लो एक एंटर भी कर दी, तो जो ये यहाँ पे जो नाम होगा वो उसको ओवरराइट करता जाएगा कि जहां जहां बैच 6 आपको मिलेगा सर्विस नाउ में, वहां वहां मैनेजर आप डालते जाओ. इफ यू डिड नॉट फाइंड बैच 6, सपोज पूरे डेटाबेस में बैच 6 है ही नहीं, then it will get a new record for the same. I'll show you the both examples. Okay, let's do one thing on this part. 56 and keep it like this. Okay, now I'll go here and make name as a CoalSec true. Is it true? Either from here you can do, either just click on this and you will get a complete form view here, and then you can make it as a CoalSec true like I did. ये अभी छोड़ते हैं, इसका भी ज्यादा काम नहीं है हमारे पास, इन दोनों को छोड़ते हैं अभी, ठीक है. नाउ इट्स डन एंड डस्टेड. ओके गुड. नाउ गो हियर and load the data. Now what we are doing, number one, there's a, let me do this thing. Okay, let's keep it like this only. Batch underscore 6 का data मैं एक बार check कर लेता हूँ, so that you should not get a confusion later on. ठीक है, manager is empty, that's fine. Okay, let me close all this thing. Now what we are doing, what is the outcome we're expecting now is that in Excel sheet I have 3 records, 1, 2 and 3. One record where I updated the manager. Second record, I did not make any change. Third record, I'm adding a new record. The only difference from previous discussion and now is that now my name is the Coalsec. Okay, I'll go here. Go here and load data. Now logically what should become? Total 3 record will be processed. 1 update, 1 error and 1 insert. It is my expected outcome. Group file, go here. सेव कर लिया था मैंने, इसको सेव कर लिया. हाँ, हो गया. Good. Go here and click on the user one. Done. Submit. ठीक है जी, 3 रिकॉर्ड हो गए क्योंकि 3 इंसर्ट होंगे, कोई प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं है अभी तो. रन ट्रांसफॉर्म मैप. $30. Okay. User group. Fine. Transform. Done. Success. Open the transform history first. Total 3. 1 insert, 1 update, 1 ignored. Sorry, not error, 1 ignored. Now open this. Why 1 ignored? क्योंकि उसमें कुछ अपडेट के लिए है ही नहीं. एरर नहीं है, इग्नोर किया गया उसको, एरर नहीं था. Okay. So if you see here, 3, 1 insert. If you open this and see, there's no error. So मेरे पास देखने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. Now I'll go to my table directly. Batch 6, 8957 and 56. Okay. इसको रिफ्रेश करते हैं लिस्ट को. See, now it is becoming because and this is the update record. Now go to 8956. This is the ignored record क्योंकि इसमें कुछ चेंज ही नहीं है. And now go to 50. This is the inserted record. How all this happened? Because I just changed one parameter and I say that now my name is the Coalsec. Now, if you want to do the same thing, go and remove the Coalsec from the name in your transform map. पूरा खाता हिल जाएगा इसका. Error will become the error. Yes, guys. Any question till this point? Ankit, we'll start from you.
Exactly. No, exactly. Okay.
Good. And because if you see this thing, if any existing record matching well in the target table, what happened means what this line means, this data go into the service now and see the batch 6. हाँ भाई batch 6 है. Okay. Then record is updated. Okay. It update the manager name. Then it says if no matching record is found, create a new record. वो गया, इसको देखा, इसमें तो कुछ चेंज नहीं था, इसको इग्नोर कर दिया. इसमें गया, हाँ ये नहीं है, इसको इंसर्ट कर दिया. So this is the bottom line. You have to be tell into the interview that how the Coalsec actually work. अगर आपको ये क्लियर हो गया, then it means you know the Coalsec fundamental. और ऐसा नहीं है कि आप एक ही बना सकते हैं, आप मल्टीपल Coalsec बना सकते हैं. Not create a problem for you in the later on when you're doing the data movement. मान लो मैंने बोला एम्प्लॉय कोड, डिपार्टमेंट, ईमेल आईडी। अरे ऐसे कैसे? 3 पे बनाओगे तो मैच नहीं होगा, तो कोई रिकॉर्ड अपडेट नहीं होगा। सो बेटर यू शुड क्रिएट अ वे in a manner so that you get the desired results. So you have options available to create multiple callback as well as per your requirement. इसको बनाया, मैं बोलता हूँ मैनेजर को भी बना दो। जहां पर ये दोनों मैच होंगे वहीं पर रिकॉर्ड अपडेट होगा, अदरवाइज अपडेट नहीं होगा। बट आई डोंट वांट टू क्रिएट अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर मी, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मेरे नेम यूनिक ही रहेंगे। डू वन थिंग, आई विल गिव यू एग्जांपल। क्रिएट अ यूजर नेम विद द रॉन, sorry, create a user ID with the Ron and try to create another user ID with the Ron. It will not work for you, क्योंकि सर्विस नाउ ने पहले ही उस पर कोलसैक लगा रखा है। भाई दो सेम नाम से दो यूजर आईडी नहीं हो सकते, इसीलिए कंसेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था एम्प्लॉय कोड का, इसलिए कंसेप्ट इंट्रोड्यूस किया गया था रोल नंबर का क्लासेस में कि सेम नाम के। आई टेल यू वन मोर एग्जांपल, वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड इज देयर, his name and his cousin name is same. Both stay in the same locality. Both parents have the same business. In the class, we call them as a bigger and the smaller person. But madam call them as a roll number wise. Roll number this and roll number that. So that they can know that to whom we are talking and we can update the records as required. Okay, now any question in doubt? You ask guys, it is must now.
By mistakenly, if you have probably deleted or some entries of like probably 100 or 200 entries have been deleted, or that has been probably corrupted. To enter those entries again, we have to make the collage as false, right? Any kind of duplicacy, any kind of
I did not get your point, but
suppose by any chance 100 records of user profiles are corrupted, or probably they have been edited or they have been updated by different things.
Okay, let me correct you, Ankit. Let's step by step. Let me correct you. Corruption नाम का कोई चीज नहीं होता है यहाँ पे, corrupt नहीं होती चीजें. The only thing is that someone intentionally load the wrong data into.
That's been, like I said, modified. Okay. Probably wrongly modified.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, got your point.
We people are probably the other team has the raw data which they have update on a regular basis, so they have the last known file that is with the OK records. So if we have to just load that particular record file, we have to make this collage field as false, right? So any duplicates.
If you make collage field as a false, तो आपके सारे रिकॉर्ड इग्नोर हो जाएंगे, वो होंगे एरर में चले जाएंगे या स्किप हो जाएंगे. Callback is used to update the record. So in this case, what will happen, that you can put a condition. See, in this you have a condition as well, that run this transform map only on those records whose last modified between this date only. आपको पता है कि लास्ट के इतने दिनों में ये रिकॉर्ड्स करप्ट हुए हैं, तो अपडेट कर दो. Plus you have to be see that update is a good option, or shall I remove the data and insert the data again is a good option. 50-100 है, अपडेट कर दो. 2.5 लाख 3 लाख है, don't update. Better you find out some other solution. Find out a unique key in that so that your transform map can identify and can run the things only on those fields. Only on those records. ये कंसल्टेंट का काम रहता है आर्किटेक्ट के साथ. आइडेंटिफाई करके बताओ भाई अब क्या करूं मैं. Operations has the biggest problem in this one, क्योंकि operations में जो लोग होते हैं उनको सर्विस नाउ इतना नहीं आता जितना हम लोगों को आता है. But we have to tell them that boss, okay, this is a unique key, now go ahead. Maybe you can put unique as a sys ID here, लेकिन sys ID तो unique होगा ही होगा हमेशा. think of the parameter that out of 50 records, if I want to update only 50 records out of 5,000, what is the unique in these 50 records? And put that in the field mapping. Make a call sec. Last date modified, modified by, modified on. Kab kya hua? You have to be identify. There's a in the JD sometime it come. You should have a data analysis skills. This is that you have to analyze the data so that you can provide a solution there. Okay. Understand till this point, Ankit. I hope I give you answer. Or anything you have still on the doubt. Let's discuss.
No, that's okay. Don't be any more. I'll just ping you accordingly.
Now I'll come to this point. This thing you can try at your end. I'll not tell because these are the cosmetics one only. Okay. And as I always says, more you explore the tool, you will able to learn the tool quickly and fastly. Now what you have to do, the basic things of the CoalSec has been done. Now what you have to do a practice. Make this as a test. Enforce mandatory fields. ये आपकी data policy आ जाती है, Ankit. There is a data policies here. Try this. Only map all fields. Do some R&D. Only then you will be able to see this thing. Copy empty fields. Suppose I'm not putting anything here. Do you want to copy something from here? I said empty है तो empty रख दो. Maybe like this I'm doing. Shall I create this record? हाँ create कर दो क्योंकि empty है तो empty मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. You can put these things here. Create new record on the empty CoalSec field. मान लो this is the case. If you make it as a true, it means अगर आपका CoalSec खाली भी है, मतलब CoalSec किस पर चाहिए नेम पे, और अगर आपका नेम नहीं है तो भी कोई बात नहीं, आप ये रिकॉर्ड तो बनाइए तो. Multiple options are there. Sometime in the CMDB this thing we have to do. We don't have a CI name, but we have CI records, CI fields. बना दो भाई रिकॉर्ड तो बना दो, नेम बाद में देखेंगे हम. These things. Then go here in the name. और किसी भी CoalSec में जाइए. And do this thing. Same concept. CoalSec empty fields. जो हमने वहां किया था वो, या हाँ CoalSec case sensitive. Now if you see this thing, what is the difference between this and this? Layman की लैंग्वेज में कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, सेम नेम है, लेकिन if you put as a case sensitive काम हो जाएगा यहाँ पे, क्योंकि it's saying case sensitive. इसका मतलब these two are the two separate records, not a single record. वो यहाँ पर आप अगर आप टिक करेंगे तो आपके लिए काम करेगा. If you want to run any script, you can run the script as well. So these are the cosmetics now. Base तो हो गया. There is nothing much I can tell in the base. Only one or two points which I remember now. Okay. Rest is all your hands-on now. Do try these options. These are actually good, and I'm telling you, if you at least not practice, if you read about this, it will help you in your consulting part as well. हाँ boss, ये दो you sometimes we say कस्टमर ने ऐसे रिकॉर्ड भेजा, मैंने बोला अरे सेम तो है, कस्टमर बोला नहीं ये दोनों अलग अलग हैं. ठीक है, if you are saying that it will be, so it means when I'm importing my data I should make sure that I should put the case sensitive true, otherwise मेरे लिए गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. ठीक, अब if I put like this, what this called it, correct? In English we call it as a it. Now if I put like this, why not called as a it, we call it as a IT. क्या difference है अभी दोनों में?
True.
It is only It is only case sensitive, right? If you use this, it used for the it is a ball. I am working in IT. भाई मुझे समझना दोनों तो स्पेलिंग तो सेम है दोनों की. वही है I और I. Same concept. कई बार same concept हो जाता है. I give an example. Maybe this is very good thing. I appeared for an interview approximately 4 or 5 years back. Lot of company I changed, so I paid for a lot of interviews as well. Okay. That company set up a test as well. Sir, you have to give an aptitude test. I said, I'm already experienced holder. No. This is our policy, I have to give the aptitude test. I said, okay. In the aptitude test, they bring something like this. Suzuki or no? It's SUZUKI, right? SUZUKI. The question was, is both are similar or both are different? Like me, I'm the person who don't love to read the books or read the newspaper or believe in go to history and all these things. No. I said वो दोनों same ही लग रहे हैं. I said it's same. After exam, I opened the Google. I said और इस तरह के मेरे पास 5-6 क्वेश्चन आए थे. I open the Google and I see Suzuki and Suzuki is similar and they're different. Answers are different.
I think
This
the
Suzuki.
lower one is for the car manufacturers, where the upper
And
one is for the bike manufacturers, two-wheeler manufacturers.
No, this is for the car manufacturer. This is some person name in the China who writes a book or something there. Okay, so like this, these are the examples which help us to do the case sensitive part as well. And now with this, can we imagine? I am not saying you. Can we imagine that how broad ServiceNow think on these concepts? कि भाई ऐसा भी हो सकता है, right? So this is the main or the foundation of the transform has been done. Okay. Now the question comes, and I thought that someone will ask me, but nobody asked me this question. Is this process of the transform map import set we have to follow in depth, test, and production as well? If I want to bring my data into dev or into test or into production, shall I follow the same mechanism or not? Ronald, what do you think?
I would think that data that we bring to foundation, which is foundation data, we only bring it into production.
I put one question on you. If you bring your data in the production, then how you will test in the beta and the dev? How the unit testing will be performed? Data नहीं तो कैसे test करोगे?
We create dummy users data in dev and test. But
Wait,
we don't,
another cross question. Chalo, user, you can create dummy. Group, you can create dummy. Can you create the CMDB also dummy?
CMDB also, we can create a few entries. When we know we have an assured CMDB.
Don't take me wrong. I'm putting the cross question because this is the practical scenario which I am facing. Okay. I tell you because when I say we are as a consultant, we have to do the unit testing as well. Sometimes I need to be support because in the Jira I have a story. I have to do the review as well to move them into the done state. By the dummy data, you cannot perform your testing 100%. And how many records you will create for the CMD? 2 records of testing तो नहीं होगी यार. इतना बड़ा तुम system लेके चल रहे हो. You have 20 sockets in your home. Will you be happy to test only one socket and give a confirmation to the electrician? Boss, सारे काम कर रहे हैं. Yes or no? I'm 100% sure the answer will be no.
No, you're right. But I mean, I see where you're going, but you know, like when you have actual data, right, and especially when you have data of users and groups
Correct.
and CIs, which will be in hundreds of thousands,
Correct.
right? I mean, we generally would take a sample, maybe like say 5,000 users or
Very
5,000
good.
CIs.
You pick up the right word. Then don't say it's a dummy. You say
Okay,
that I am bringing the sample data in the dev instance. Dummy का
okay,
मतलब होता है कि जो exist ही नहीं करता.
correct. Okay, got it.
But these data actually exist. But it is a
Correct.
sample one. ठीक है भाई 100 यूजर अकाउंट ले आओ प्लस ग्रुप ले आओ देखो यूजर ग्रुप लोकेशन आर द डेटा विच इज we have to be created in the dev only not in the production क्योंकि here we need to be see the access as well
Got
कि
it.
भाई किस यूजर को क्या एक्सेस देना है कि उसको किस ग्रुप में ऐड करना है कौन से ग्रुप होंगे CMDB I can still say but I'm still not be 100% agree on that part कि everything should be go in the production directly no even ServiceNow say your data should be go in the step by step dev test and then go into the production if sensitive data don't bring in the dev or don't create in the dev create in the production directly but if it is a non-sensitive data like if you're supporting any financial like customer they will not say please bring my credit card data into the dev no they will say please create something dummy and I'll test that part only here you have to put the disclaimer I am doing a testing on the dummy data in case anything not working as per the data we may need to change the process later on क्योंकि डमी डेटा पर आपके प्रोसेस टेस्ट नहीं होते जब आप घर बनाते हैं आप कार्डबोर्ड से बना के टेस्ट नहीं कर सकते हाँ भाई कितना स्ट्रांग है ये जब तक आपका एक्चुअल घर नहीं बनता यू पुट जस्ट हाँ इफ यू मेक ए मॉडल फ्रॉम द कार्डबोर्ड इट इंडिकेट्स कि एक्चुअल वर्क विल एक्चुअल घर का काम भी ऐसा ही दिखेगा एक्चुअल घर भी मेरा ऐसा ही दिखेगा कुछ नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज स्टिल रिमेन okay Ronald say that Atul I will create the data in the production directly how you will create the data in the production definitely import set transform map okay if you do this thing then your dev test and production will not in the sync pehla point second point customer will raise a defect or the issue in the production system you cannot replicate in the dev or test क्योंकि आपके पास डेटा ही नहीं है yes or no right आपके पास डेटा ही नहीं है
Correct.
now the question come if this is the way then as per the recommendation always create your data into the dev instance via transform map in the test in the production don't build the data via transform map तो फिर आएगा कहां से डेटा आई एम श्योर दिस क्वेश्चन इन माइंड किया तो फिर डेटा आएगा कहां से टेस्ट और प्रोडक्शन पे सारा काम डेव पे आप करवा रहे हो और आप कहते हो ट्रांसफॉर्म मैप मत बनाओ टेस्ट के लिए तो क्या मैनुअली मैं लिखूं बैठ के फिर सारा डेटा बनाऊं करेक्ट रोनाल्ड क्वेश्चन तो ये ना कि प्रोडक्शन में सब कुछ होना चाहिए आपने डेव में सारा
Right.
कुछ करवा दिया तो अब डेटा आएगा कहां से दैट वी विल डिस्कस टुमारो and there's a logic and again I'm saying when I'm saying data I'm talking about the foundation data even you can bring the traditional data via that way as well लेकिन सर्विस नाउ से सर्विस नाउ में डेव से टेस्ट में ले सकते हो किसी और टूल से नहीं ठीक है so let's stop the class here
Yeah.
do the practice and tomorrow we will see that if I want to move these many users or these many group from dev to test without transform map how I will do that part ठीक है that we will discuss tomorrow and why we're going to use that technique then again we discuss in the tomorrow session ठीक now any doubt any question till this point Ankit Surya
No, all right. Probably we'll have one session. Probably would do myself. If I've got any errors, I'll discuss with you.
sure
Yeah.
definitely okay so
Okay.
but again recommendation do at least a practice for this part आपको बेसिक्स समझने के लिए एक प्रैक्टिस तो करना ही पड़ेगा आई एम वेरी अपफ्रंट ऑन दैट पार्ट नहीं करोगे ना यू विल नॉट एबल टू मूव टुमारो सेशन आपको समझ ही नहीं आएगा कि हो क्या गया फिर वो लगता ना अरे आज का सेशन तो ऊपर से निकल गया मेरे। कई बार मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, कई बार प्रैक्टिस नहीं की तो ऊपर से निकल जाता सेशन, क्योंकि बेसिक्स ही क्लियर नहीं है। एंड दीज आर द टूल्स, more you explore, more you will be enjoy. Maybe now you can do, if right Ankit and Ronald, if you have access in your official instances in the admin, dev or test as an admin, go and see their transform map. Try to see their transform map कि क्या लिखा हुआ है। चेंज मत करो, पढ़ो उसको बैठ के कि उन्होंने कैसे मैपिंग किया हुआ है, किस टेबल का कौन सा इंपोर्ट सा टेबल है, कहां से आ रहा है, उसका डेटा लोड देखो, उसका डेटा सोर्स चेक करो। एटलीस्ट ये तो समझ में आएगा कि मेरे प्रोजेक्ट में काम कैसे चल रहा है। प्रैक्टिकल नहीं होता, लेकिन यू विल एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड योर प्रैक्टिकल प्रोजेक्ट नाउ कि यहां पर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसे हुई है। ठीक है जी, सो लेट्स क्लोज द कॉल हियर, लेट मी स्टॉप द शेयरिंग एंड रिकॉर्डिंग एज वेल।